just want to put on some heels and just go salsa dancing. This rib look is so cute. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. Thank you for coming back to Brown and Confident today. As you can see by the title, we got some swimsuits popping from Amazon. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Names, prices, and where you can find this is gonna be in my description box. Let's go ahead and get into it. This swimsuit is really nice. It does come with nipple pads. It shows just a little bit of cleavage. It's just very flattering. But they do have the panties underneath this little skirt. Now the back does crisscross. We are showing a little bit of a roll, okay, just a little bit. The straps are adjustable in the back. We got a little ruching right here on the fupa area. This swimsuit is very stretchy and it has a lot of room to give. It's snug in all the right places. It's flattering in all the right places. You definitely need this swimsuit. Okay, this one. The color is everything. We got a little bit of the boob showing. We got some flare right here on the arms. And it's definitely flowy on the bottom. We love everything about it, okay? We got the underbottoms attached, okay? So we're just gonna feel really good, really comfortable on this one. The back fat is covered. Yeah, this is definitely giving. It has so much stretch even in this top tutu part, and the swimsuit itself is just super stretchy. It feels so good. We not flopping out, so we love that for us. I feel really good in this swimsuit, really covered, really secure, and that's what I look for in my swimsuits. This swimsuit is definitely a 10 out of 10. I love this swimsuit, and besides the color, because you can get all of these swimsuits in many different colors, so make sure you check on Amazon website to see what color fits for you. The color looks great, but the fit is amazing. Very stretchy. It has some ruching right here on the side of the underwear, and we have buttons right here on the front, and yes, you can unbutton them, sis. Yes, you can. Fits well. It's that rib look like everybody wants. The straps are adjustable. We're covered back there. We feel really good in this swimsuit. It feels really good. And like I said, it's so stretchy, okay? All these swimsuits I got in the 4X, so make sure you check the size chart. This rib look is so cute. For the girls that want to be covered up just a little bit more, I got you. This is so cute. The colors are cute. They got different styles, different colors. Check that out. They come with really great quality shorts. The shirt is giving me stretch. The shorts are giving me stretch. It's really nice. I love it. Okay, we're covered in the back. Yeah, you may show just a little bit of back fat, but for the most part, you are covered. It still comes with the sports bra underneath here. Nipple pads, shirt on top. They are both connected, and it's just a really cute swimsuit. A little bit more covered, a little bit more modest, but it's still giving. Okay, here's the next swimsuit, and if you see black, those are my undergarments, and that's kind of where I want my bathing suit to hit. The color is nice, and it feels really good. It's giving me like this rib look, this rigid look, really cute. I went for the brown. They do have other colors. It's giving me flesh tone. It's really cute, really simple, really girly. Give me like this marble tie-dye look. A lot of boob fat that will hang out, and I don't like that. It is very stretchy. It's very cute, and I just feel like I just need more room. It's still serving. Okay, here's the next swimsuit. I love it because of the color. It's giving me that purple and that pink that I absolutely love. It's stretching down right. It's hitting all of the places that I would like it to cover. And I just feel really confident and comfortable in this swimsuit. The back is looking good. We're covered. The rolls are covered. The booty not too much poking out. And we love this for us. It's giving that rib trendy look, and it just feels so good. No spillage, no flopping out. Like I said, the coverage is so good. It has really good snapback, but also stretchy. If you can't tell, you need it. Okay, how gorgeous is this swimsuit? Oh my God, 1 to 10, rate it. Down in the comment box. Absolutely in love. The colors are so beautiful. I love everything about it. It's stretchy, it's giving rib vibes. It's got this print, but can't really see it. It's got this rigid rib print. So cute, okay? Super stretchy. It's holding everything in. It's holding the fupa. It's holding everything, okay? We're covered. Back fat covered, okay? It's showing a little bit more on the butt area than I would like, but the straps are stretchy so you can pull it down more and give yourself a little bit more room. Look at those colors. This is everything. I feel like this is the video. Here, I don't need to say nothing. Okay, this is the next swimsuit. It's very cute, it's very saucy, very sassy. We love this. We just want to put on some heels and just go salsa dance. It does come with nipple pads and it's showing a little bit more than I would want to. Here's my bra right here and it's showing that, like, man, we gotta cover up a little bit. I love that we have a little flare out on the arms and also at the bottom of the skirt. We'll have a tie right here, which adjust. We can definitely adjust those strings and hike it up a little bit. We are covering all the back fat. Very stretchy, a lot of room to give. Okay, Amazon. That is it for today's haul. Thank you so much for coming back to another video. Again, my name is Rachel. I hope to see you in my next haul.